Welcome to the UEC eResource series Cause and Effect Tutorial 1. Today we'll be reviewing the paragraph on overcrowding from your Unit 3 reading and writing lesson. We are going to be focusing on paragraph structure in addition to the use of cause and effect language. Okay, firstly, let's look at the cause and effect paragraph and identify the topic sentence. We can see here that it is the first sentence in this paragraph. Once we find the topic sentence, then we need to highlight the topic, which is overcrowding in urban centres, and then what is being said about the topic, which is also known as the controlling idea. Once we identify the controlling idea, we can see that this paragraph is going to explain to the reader a number of different factors or causes for overcrowding. So now let's identify those causes or factors that have led to overcrowding. First, we can see is the dramatic growth in the world's population, and second is mass rural-urban migration. It is these two causes that develop the controlling idea in the topic sentence, and this helps us to build cohesion within the paragraph. Now, let's highlight the transitions or connectors. The first introduces the first cause, then we have the second cause, which is introduced, but we also have words like this and therefore. These transitions and connectors are used to highlight the ideas and relationships in the paragraph, as well as promote further cohesion. Now we'll move on and look for the supporting ideas that are given to develop these two causes that are introduced. First, we see data or statistics that have been given to support the idea of dramatic growth. The second is an explanation or further detail to develop the idea that is introduced regarding mass rural-urban migration by the author. Finally, the paragraph finishes with a concluding sentence. This concluding sentence summarizes the ideas that have been presented throughout the paragraph. Also, cause and effect language should be apparent in this paragraph, so let's try to identify the phrases that have been used. Here we can see the result of, which is introducing a cause. Then we can see cause, which also introduces a cause. And finally, we can find due to, which also introduces a cause. And all of these have been used to highlight different causal relationships within this paragraph. That concludes our review of the paragraph. So what can you do now? There's a few things you can do for further practice. Make sure you do the cause and effect tutorial 2. Think about structure when you are planning your writing. Analyze the structure of your own paragraphs and essays. And in addition, join a study group and review your peers' writing. And remember, practice as much as possible. Lastly, don't forget the further study resources that were at the end of the cause and effect quiz. Be sure to go to the websites for extra practice and also visit the LSU. I hope you enjoyed the UEC eResource series cause and effect tutorial 1 and see you next time.